I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, hoping that you don't run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts. And I'm just tryna play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you now. You make it difficult to not overthink. And when I'm with you, I turn all shades of pink.
So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Nora. So in today's video is going to be on this makeup look. So if you want to know how I create this look, just keep watching. So I already done my brows. So next I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer, then put it on my lid. Then I'm going to blend it out with Beauty Blender. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Morphe X Taking Heat palette, then taking this brown shade. Then I'm going to put it on my crease, then slowly blending it out. And next, I'm going to use this My The Pony Colourpop palette, then taking this shade, then I'm going to smoke it on my outer V. And back with the Morphe palette, I'm going to take this red shade, then I'm going to smoke it on my lash line to my outer V. And to deepen up the color even more, I'm going to take this deeper brown shade, then smoke it on my lash line. So we are almost done, but now I'm going to take the cream glitter shadow from Pony Effect, then I'm going to tap it on my lid. So next I'm going to take the Kat Von D eyeliner, then wing my eye. Sorry. And lastly, I'm going to put on some falsies, then you have it.
And I'm pretending you ain't been on my mind, but I took an interest in the things that you like.
And now we are jumping to the face. So I already put some moisturizer, but now I'm going to use some primer. So for today's primer, I'm going to use this Maybelline primer. And this primer has been my favorite lately because this primer is really hydrating and makes your skin look glowing and brighter. Then I'm going to put some foundation. So first I'm going to do it on my face, then I'm going to blend it with Beauty Blender. And to conceal and brighten my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline X31 concealer. Then I'm going to put it on my visual area that I want to be highlighted.
That's what I was born to do. And yeah, it's true that I'm a little bit intense, right?
And I will take some concealer again to cover up some blemishes. And now I'm going to set it with some powder.
And I'm just trying to play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now, you.
And I will bake a little bit because I really easily get oily in that area. And next I'm going to dust off the baking. And now I'm going to put some bronzer. And for today's bronzer, I'm going to use this Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And also I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. And for the blush, I'm going to put it on my cheeks. And I usually smile when I apply blush because I prefer it that way and it makes it easier. And for the fun part, I'm going to use some highlighters. So I'm just going to put it on my usual area that I want to be highlighted, or the area that I want to look extra glowing on my face.
But I could be a crush like for
Now I'm going back with the Morphe palette, then taking this red shade, then smoke it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to use some clean brush and blend it out because I don't want any harsh line on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. And now it's time for the lips, so I'm just going to take this MAC lipstick and tap it on my lips. Then I'm going to top it with this Style Banana lipstick. Then I'm going to tap it on my lips too. And to add some ombre, I'm going to use this Makeover liquid lipstick. I'm going to put it in the center of my lips. Then I'm going to blend it up with brush. And to add some final touch, I'm just going to put some gloss on my lips. And I'm just trying to play cool. Then I'm going to set my face with some setting spray. Then the makeup are done. And I'm not trying to be with you now. So that's all my video today. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me on social media, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.